Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change color settings on Philips Brilliance. To do this, you will need to click on Menu button. Here scroll down using up and down buttons and find color. Now you can enter it with the Menu button again. Here you can change color temperature by clicking on OK again and adjust it with a slider. Or go back and set sRGB levels. Or if you want to use user-defined settings, you can also scroll down, enter them with Menu and adjust the colors manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.